Hey there, sunshine. I am so excited to show you guys this PR package that I just got. I'm just so excited that this brand wants to work with me. It's like mind-blowing that they even like reached out to me. I'm like, oh my gosh. And a lot of you guys really seem to like my other PR unboxings. I was like, I should do this more often. I don't know if I should like wait until I have a bunch of PR packages or if I should just do them one at a time. But here in my hands, I have a Good Molecules PR package. They reached out to me. They're like, hey, what are your skincare concerns? And I like sent them like a list of my skincare concerns. And then I have the package here in my hands. I can't wait to unbox this. I've been waiting to unbox this to show you guys, and then I'm going to start using everything. So I told them that my skincare concerns are acne. I have severe cystic acne. I have a lot of pores. I have a lot of blackheads. I have a lot of redness and hyperpigmentation, and I have like just trouble controlling some like oil spots, like right here on my face gets really oily. So I don't know what I received, but I just got everything in this like brown box. And I'm so excited. Okay, so I have a card right here that says Beautylish. Hi, Elizabeth. Hope you enjoy Good Molecules. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Cheers. And then I have this Good Molecules sticker right here. Okay, so now I'm opening everything up. I got some tissue paper. Okay, here's what everything looks like here. Like, let me show you the PR, the actual package itself. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm so excited to start using this. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. Like, I just can't believe that, like, I can't believe that this is where my channel is at. I can't believe that, like, after like 3 years worth of work, that this is where things are going. I'm so freaking grateful. I'm so excited. I'm so amazing for all of the amazing connections. And I'm so excited to be able to share like things that I'm passionate about with you guys, and that you guys have like given me these opportunities to be able to work with these amazing brands. And just thank you for everything. I just need you to know, like, thank you so much for everything. Okay, so now that the little rant is over, I have 4 different products here. So the biggest thing that I'm pulling out is this Good Molecules. Before I say anything else, I suck at pronunciation. I cannot pronunciate to save my life. So I'm gonna butcher these pronunciations, but we can work through it together. So this is Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbituric, and licorice root extract to brighten and help protect skin against environmental stresses. Yes, I am my own environmental stress. Just kidding. I know that's not how that works, but girl, my stress levels, I wouldn't be surprised if I had a heart attack before I was 30. Look how cute the bottle is. This is like a really, is it glass? I don't know. I don't know if it's glass or if it's like a really hardcore, heavy duty plastic. It says AM and PM, put onto a cotton pad and gently sweep over clean skin. Look how cute this is. Yes, okay. So the next thing that I received is this overnight exfoliating treatment formulated with 10% AHA and BHA with resurface and renew. That is what my skin loves. I've been using this one from Murad, this cleanser that I got in my Itsy Glam Bag Plus a couple of months ago. It was actually last month that I got it. And my skin has just been thriving on that. Like, literally my skin has cleared up so much. So I know that this is what my skin needs. Oh my gosh, I love how like clean this packaging is. Like, it's feminine but like clean at the same time. This is so beautiful. The next thing that I received is this niacinamide serum formulated with 10% niacinamide to refine skin texture and minimize pores. Everything that I need in one beautiful bottle. Yeah, I love how like everything just matches. I really love that we're not working with like a bunch of different color schemes. It's so beautiful. And then the last thing that I received is this, oh my goodness. Okay, this Discoloration Correcting Serum formulated to promote an even skin tone. I have been looking for this product for my entire life. I didn't know that I was looking for it, but I've always known that I wanted my skin tone to be even. I didn't know that it was all in this beautiful bottle. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, so that, like, let's see if I can hold up everything that I received. Oh my gosh. I'm so freaking excited to start using this. I'm going to start doing before and after pictures. Oh my gosh. I have before and after pictures of my skin that I've been, like, wanting to show to the world. But I'm so excited to, like, maybe continue my after, like, continue, like, improving my skin with these products. Let me know if you guys want to see, like, a before and after video. If you'd be like to, you know, see, like, me do, like, a 30-day worth of Good Molecules video. because I'd totally be down to do that. What did you guys think of this PR unboxing? Should I do more of them on my channel? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.